Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can enabling automated backups. To enable automated backups, in the navigation pane, choose databases and then choose DB instance that you want to modify. Then choose modify. In the modify DB instance page, scroll down this page. In the additional configuration section, for backup retention period, choose a positive non-zero value. For example, 3 days. And scroll down this page, choose continue. In the summary of modification, you can validate a current value and a new value for backup retention period. In the scheduling of modification, you can choose apply immediately. Scroll down this page and choose modify DB instance. Now DB instance status is modify state. It will take us some time to enable the automated backups. Now database status is changed from modifying to available state. To verifying the automated backup, in the navigation pane, choose automated backups. In the current region tab, you are seeing the automated backup details. For disabling automated backups, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.